today we will continue for the broadcasting. Broadcasting one of the most important option in your uh, platform. So you have the one-time notification subscriber, which one have been already subscribed by the users. So you can send promotional. Once you click in the campaign list and create the campaign, it will indicate you if you have any target reach, you will find it here. Then you can target by label, exclude label, target by gender, by time zone, by local, and select the message and send it now or send it later and select when you want to send it and create a campaign, and that's all. So you have to choose the one time notification post tag template, put the campaign name as I told you. In the SMS broadcasting or email broadcasting, you have to add your API. You can add custom API, get or post based on your experience. If you don't know, add the default gateway and select the gateway. And where I can put here, can select value, and I can do all the integration and the integration or the instruction videos. You will find it related to this video in the description or have to be attached as a document. You will see it when you receive this package. The same, if you put the SMS API setting, you can create the campaign. So once you create the campaign, when you create the campaign, put the campaign name, put the message you want to send it as SMS, select the API, and also if you want to get some messenger subscribers which you collect already some phones from them, you can select the page and it will be show the target reach. Also, you can, if you have any contact list, for example, here you will find one contact number, but okay, and also you can upload the CSV file, and also you can manually type it manually here, and also you can schedule it. In the same time, you can also, if the numbers have been different, like some numbers are starting by zero, some numbers starting by plus, so you can unify it by country code here and add or remove as per your city. In the email broadcasting, it's the same as SMS broadcasting, and you will find also the videos of this one. Then you can create the email campaign, but the email campaigns is different little bit from the SMS campaigns. You will not find manually insert. You have to upload. Okay, you have to upload your uh, attachment if you need, and select the API and get the messenger subscriber from the page, and that's all. So if you have the external email, okay, you can select the group, and but you cannot upload the list. You have to put them in the group, okay, which have been discussed in subscriber manager. And the last one, the email templates. The email templates, you can create rich editor or drag and drop. So if I create rich text editor, it will give me like this, and you can create a template. But if I choose drag and drop, it will show this template. So you can select this template and you will start to add text here. You can add image here, add link here, and then you can put divider as well. It will give you a divider like this. So you can clone it and edit this one, okay, by adding a link again, okay. So you have link here and link here, and then you can preview how it will show. It will be the email preview, and also you can save the template, you can save and quit, and you can layout option. You can check all the options that have been here, In the same time, you can edit this one by choosing bold, some format. You can put a code, you can put a link, okay, and sorry, okay, and here you can move it. Like for example, just like if I click OK, I can move it. I can move it here. I can put it here. It's up to you as your requirement. And this was the last setting here. So you will find for this video SMS API setting and email API setting videos how to integrate it in your preferable gradient. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.